Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Cash App. So this is going to become particularly useful just in case you block someone, but you actually do need to send or receive money for them. So let's go ahead and get started. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So make sure to follow up until the end to learn how to unblock someone on Cash App. So to start off with, I am going to assume, or you do need to actually have someone blocked in order to unblock them. But once you actually have someone blocked, go ahead and actually click on the bottom right hand corner. And then afterwards, what you're going to do is actually search for their name. So let's click on here and then search for their name. I'll just go ahead and jump into the video where I actually click on someone who I blocked. So this is a demo account where I've actually blocked Jack. What you want to do from here is actually scroll down, and then you're going to see the unblock button. So if you don't see that just yet, let me actually go back. If Jack is the individual who I blocked, what you could also do is click on Jack, and then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on those three dots and then click on view profile. So from here, you basically reach the same window that you saw earlier in the video. So go ahead and scroll down and then click on unblock. And there you have it, you've unblocked Jack. So that is how to unblock someone on Cash App. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.